Hey, what's up? I'm going to be doing a bike check. It's like my second one I think I have for my new bike. Got some new parts. Starting off with the seat. Brand new animal padded gray seat, pivotal. Black animal aluminum post. The frame is a Fit TRL1 in maroon. The bar ends are ODYSSEY, and the grips are ODYSSEY Chick Hawks. They're kind of thick, but they wear out really fast. I've been riding them for like a week, and they're already like holding up. My bars are S&M Grand Slams cut down to 27.5, 8.5 rise. Scavenger sticker. We got ODYSSEY V3 stem that is not really good. I mean, it's alright, it's light, but I just don't really like it very much. Top bolt is a Colony ratchet. And then my front tire is a Shadow Conspiracy 2.25 wide, worn down. Back is ODYSSEY Mike AITKEN dirt tire. Front rim is Alienation, back rim's Alienation, semi-sealed front hub, Primo spokes, sealed cassette 9-tooth hub with Primo spokes, ODYSSEY PC, limited edition pink pedals, pink KMC chain, stock fit sprocket. My forks are Colony V2 officials. They're pretty nice. And I think that's everything. Stock headset, stock bottom bracket. It weighs about like, I think 23 point something. So yeah, that's my bike check. Subscribe, look for more videos, and stay tuned because I'm making a biking video for February, so yeah.